Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Use a splatter guard. It's true what they say about an ounce of prevention. Keep a wet rag near the stovetop while you cook. Not every spill and splatter can be prevented. Place a wooden spoon across a pot of boiling water. Use something to catch spills in the oven.
Take our lead.
How to use an oven liner to keep your oven clean. This is where oven liners come in. They are mats that are placed near the bottom of the oven when cooking to catch any falling food. You should always trim the oven liner with kitchen scissors to fit your oven. Some thin oven mats can flap in fan ovens and even float out when you open the door.
Let's help you make your mark.
To avoid possible heat damage to your oven, we do not recommend using aluminum foil to line the bottom of your oven. Rather, we recommend that you place a sheet of heavy-duty aluminum foil on the oven rack beneath the pie or casserole you are baking. The foil will catch any drips before they reach the oven bottom.
Take our lead.
How to keep the oven clean all year round. Wipe up spills immediately. This only takes a few seconds to do. Get regular professional oven cleans every 6 to 12 months. We recommend using a professional oven cleaning service every 6 to 12 months, depending on your cooker usage. Use an oven liner. Use a roasting bag. Give a quick clean regularly.
Take our lead.
Preheat oven to 400 degrees and line a large baking sheet with foil. If using, line a wire rack on your baking sheet. Lay bacon in a single layer onto baking sheet or cooling rack, making sure not to overlap. Bake until your desired crispness, 15 to 25 minutes.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.